Hello students, in previous tutorial we have discussed about uh, printing of series without index. Now we are going to print a series with index using array. Uh, you are looking here an example with index and data. 100, 101, 2, 3 are index and ABCD are data. So how to make this program? We will start. Here we have made an array of data A, B, C, D. Actually, it is a list, and we are converting it into an array using array function of numpy. Uh, we have taken index as 101, 102 up to 104, and we have called the function series pd.series data comma index. If we run this program, we will find 101 index, 102, 103, 104 ABCD data. We can also make some changes here. If we want to give index directly in the function, then we can give here index equal to series of index, and we can run this program. The output will be same. Output is same. Uh, Now next topic is create a series from dictionary. So we will make a series using dictionary without index and with index. First we take a dictionary. We will take a dictionary and it will be assigned in a variable data. Dictionary structure you already studied in class 11. Now import panda as pd, import numpy as np, and we will create a dictionary. Here dictionary will be a is a key and number is 0 point, second key is b and its value is 1, third key is c and value is 2 point. So we have taken here uh, a dictionary as data, and we are going to create a series using dictionary. So we have to write only data here in series function pd.series data, and it will give us a series of data without index. We run this program. Yes. Just comma. If we run this program, you will see here all the keys became index and data is, you are looking here, 0, 0.0, 1.0 and 2.0. Next, if we want to give index to the series, then we have to write data same as we have given in dictionary A 0, B 1, C 2. Now we will give index here as index equal to a list of indexes here. Suppose I am giving here B, next is C, third one is D, and fourth index is A. What we have done here, we have given index B, C, D, A, list of indexes, and the values are in the dictionary or data are 3 in numbers, but we have given 4 indexes. If we run this program, we will find what will be the output. We have given index B, C, D, A, list of indexes, and the values are in the dictionary or data are 3 in numbers, but we have given 4 indexes. If we run this program, we will find what will be the output. We are looking here, we have given B to 0 value, index B to 0 value, and C to 2.0, D here no value of key D is exist here, so D is mentioned here, the value is none, NaN, and value of A, index A is 0. So in this way we make a series using dictionary. You can also try it, and index can be we will define outside the series function and also in series function. Next one is create a series from a scalar. If we want to use a scalar quantity and want to print a series, then we have to give a scalar series. Here I am giving number 5 and index in place of data we are giving here 5, and you can remove the data, and index is if you want to give any number or any character you can give here. I am giving here A, B, C, D, and I am printing series as. We run the program. Here index ABCD is printed, and the value of a scalar 5 is printed 5 times with each index. So in this way we can create a series with the help of a scalar quantity. Now one other program is also here. If we want to give a series as equal to pt dot series, and I'm creating a series of numbers 1, 2, 3, and the second series is td dot series. It is also a list of numbers. I am giving here 1, 2, 4. Now if you want to perform any arithmetic operation with S and T, we can give here as U equal to S plus T and B equal to S into T, and I want to print U and V. If we run this program, we will find what the operation has been performed here. We have added both the series. The answer is this is default index.